Hi friends, welcome back to Prashant's Knowledge Center. Here in this video, we will learn about switch statements in C language. First of all, let us know what is the switch statement. Here, switch statement is an alternative for if else if ladder. Here, by looking at this syntax, we can easily understand how to use the switch statement in C language. Here, we'll have an expression here in the switch, and based on this expression there will be multiple cases here, and based on this expression one of the cases will be selected and all the statements present in this case will be executed. And here, if none of the cases are matched, then the statement which is present in this default will be executed. And here we are using the break. This is optional. Why we will be using this break means, if this expression is showing the case 1, then only this case 1 will be executed if we have break here. In previous classes we have learnt, whenever the break is executed, then the program will be terminated here. Means then the function will be terminated here. This particular loop or function will be terminated here. So whenever the break is encountered, only this case will be executed. If this break is not there, then all the cases one by one will be executed. Here, this expression can be a character type or an integer type. Other than that, it will not accept. And even this case also, this case value will be an integer type or a character constant type. Like that, we can define this case value, and the expressions also we can take. Now we'll see some of the programs to for better understanding of the switch case. Here, this is the basic program about switch statement. Here, as usual, I have written the header files void main, and I have initialized a value 0 to the variable number. And here I have cleared the previous output on the screen, and I am reading this number here by using scanf function. Now I will enter into the switch, and here the expression is number. Whatever the number we will enter, it will take here, and based on this number it will enter into the case. And if I write 10 here, it will enter into the case 10, and if I write 20 here, it will enter into the case 20. Because this is a simple program, and based on this expression it is only a number, it will check for that case. And if that number is not available here in this case, it will go to default. This we will check by executing the program. Control F9. Here compound statement missing. What is that statement? Here switch I have opened and I have not closed the switch. That's why it is showing error. Now we can execute the program. Enter the number. I will write 10. Entered number is 10, it is showing. Now once again I will write 10 and 20 are there. Now I will write some other number 4. Entered number is not 10 or 20. Means whatever the expression here, it is not matching with the case. That's why it is going to default. Now as discussed earlier, if we don't write break here, what happens? I am making it as a comment. Means we are not using the break here. Now what happens, we will see. I will write 10. Means first case only it will go. See, all the cases one by one it is executed. Means if you are not giving break, then it is executing all the cases. Now I will write 20. Means it will start from 20, means case 20, and it will continue like this. All the cases below that will be executed if you are not writing this break. This is about the switch statement, and in further classes we will write some other programs and easily understand how to use switch statement with the different types of examples. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe Prashant's Knowledge Center. Thank you.